Guys, so today I'm showing all my powers to you. Just need to get full Ryo. I mean, chi, okay? And now, yeah, I have Muramaki form. I have this Chidori Nagashi. I have this Chidori stream. I have that Chidori thing. I have Chidori. I have pretty much the card, and I have this power. So, in case you didn't see that, because you probably didn't, this is a death counter. This is a, I think this is another counter. This is Murumaki Gold Rasengan. And in another episode, I'll show you all my firepower. There. And that's my final power. Okay. So bye.